Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad IRFAN bin Muhammad ZAMRI from class DKA4B. My metric number is 11DKA19F1007. Our group will present about air conditioning system.
Hi, and a very good day for SYAHIRAH. Let me introduce myself. My name is HAIQAL bin HASSAN, and my metric number 11DKA19F1040.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is NURUL Farhana binti Jamsari from DKA4B. My matrix number is 11DKA19F1019.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAHIRAH binti Muslim from DKA4B. My matrix number is 11DKA19F1025.
Type of air conditioning unit: split unit, which is used in the office building. Split unit is divided into part: outdoor condenser and indoor unit, which work by combining both units at the same time. The outdoor condenser generates the air with heat fan and direct the air to the indoor unit.
Now, I will explain about process of cooling substance in air conditioning system. Principle for an air conditioning system is simple. Just keep the evaporator cooler than room temperature and condenser hot than surrounding. First, for split unit, it have two separate unit. For indoor unit is evaporator and outdoor unit is condenser. Indoor unit will absorb the heat from the room and eject to the surrounding. These two components are connected by a series of electrical wire and copper pipes. Inside the house, the evaporator fan extracts the hot air and moisture from the air and pass it out through a chamber containing the liquid. The compressor circulates a gas, increasing the pressure and temperature, while it is compressed through a series of pipes. A cooling system removes the heat from the high pressure gas, which becomes a liquid and is pushed indoor, where the fan serves to blow this cool air back into the house. This process is simply repeated over and over again until the inside of your house reach your desired temperature.
Components of the system air conditioning. The first is blower. Air flowing from supply register is the work of the blower. This component, which also works with your furnace, circulates cool air into your home and puts room temperature up back for recooling. The second component is evaporator coil. This indoor component, located near the blower, is responsible for attracting heat and humidity from the air. This is possible thanks to refrigerant running through the coil. The third is compressor. On is observed that the refrigerant is in gaseous state. It passes through the compressor, where the gas pressurizes and heat even more. This important step prepares the refrigerant to give up its heat. The fourth is condensing coil. This is the outdoor equivalent of the evaporator coil. As refrigerant travels from the compressor to the condenser, it expels the heat collected from indoors to outside. Once the refrigerant is cooled to a liquid, it circulates back inside to collect more heat in the evaporator coil. The fifth is fan. The outdoor condensing unit becomes very hot with all that overhead refrigerant running through it. A fan and fins that act AC heat sinks draw the heat away so the unit doesn't overheat. The sixth is air filter. While an air conditioner can function without air filter, dust and dirt in the air will quickly collect on AC components and possibly damage them without the filter in place. Install an efficient enough filter and you can even improve indoor air quality while the air conditioner operates. The seventh is thermostat. This is the control center of the entire air conditioner process, reading the indoor temperature and telling the air conditioner when to turn on and off. You change temperature setting here based on your needs. The higher you set the thermostat, the lower your cooling bills will be.
Factors to consider in choosing air conditioning system. The first one is cost. Common practice to purchase the least expensive aircon system to save up cost. The second one is quality. More expensive systems are often of higher quality and can stay in optimal working condition for long. The third one is energy consumption. Make sure purchase an energy efficient aircon system to decrease electricity bill.